Sneak peek. Nakasuka na nga ako eh. Sobrang kaba.
Bumog muna, di.
Patay siya sa akin. Kaya wag siya magpapakita sa akin na maganda siya.
To me, it's all a dream. All this time feeling fine 'cause you're mine. But I can't understand now, how do you do it? Somehow you just continue to be.
Okay.
Tama sa ano to? Ayun talaga. Yan, ganyan. Talaga yan, girl. Ang cute na yan.
Around me when we're walking down the street. Said a prayer, you were there, now you care. But I can't understand, no, how do you do it? Somehow you just continue to be. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Seven years ka na napupugian at patay na patay sa akin.
Wow ka.
Kidding aside, naalala ko pa nung sinabi mo hindi mo type ang matataba. Ano ko ngayon? Nabasted mo ako na unang beses, pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, kukulitin ko to. Hanggang sagutin niya ako.
As we embark on this incredible journey together, ang taray, English!
2,000. What should I say to my wife? I like that one.
Congrats, kids! Love you.
Gano'n ang mga gwapo, hindi kami mga iyakin.
Iyak yan.
No, hindi daw iiyak.
Siyempre si Don. Iyakin yun eh. Mamaya makikita niyo.
Hi, B. Yes, this is it. Excited na akong makita ka, B. Ito yung gift ko. Nakailang share post ka na eh. Binigay ka. Bonus na isa. Pangdagdag sa collection mo.
Ito yun? Pili ko kasi ng cellphone, ano po eh, 2017. Nawala pa yung isa. Nawala pa? So pinairam ako nito ng cellphone niya. Sabi ko pa naman sa kanya, patapusin ko muna yung kasal natin, bibili na akong phone. Binili mo ako! Thank you! Thank you for not giving up on me, Don. I know Papa will be the proudest father kasi ikaw yung mapapangasawa ko. someone just like him. Very down to earth, will put the family first before anyone else. Generous, thoughtful, super caring, and most of all, respectful.
Pwede iyak na yan.
Thank you, ba? Sa lahat. Thank you for everything. For not giving up with me. Love na love ko kayo dalawa. Kahit ano mangyari.
I'm ready to face this world with you. I'm ready to take you in my life. There's nowhere to run but here.
Hoy! Wag kasi! Sayang yung makeup! Pa, alam ko happy ka. Sobra. Kasi alam kong di kita binigo. Nagantay ako ng right time. And alam kong mag-aasawa ako ng tamang tao, katulad mo. Alam ko, sobrang saya mo dyan. And alam ko nandito ka lang. Pini-witness yung isa sa pinakamasayang araw ko. Ito ka lang pa. I love you and I miss you so much. I still remember when we are in our courting stage, I did ask you if what would be your goal if ever you'll get my yes as your girlfriend. Sobrang bilis ng sagot mo. Ano sinabi mo?
Marry you.
And ang sinabi mo was to marry you. And look where we are now. You kept your promise. You kept your words. My life wouldn't be this happy if it's not with you. Di ko alam if magpapakasal pa ako sa sobrang daming naghihiwalay after marriage. I felt that it's you, the one who I want to spend my whole life with, when I said yes to be your girlfriend.
And I